Noel from Rittenhouse again. And we've got a 12-volt pump system here that you can purchase in a kit form. Includes all the hosing, all your plumbing, your pump, and even a gun. So bear with me and I'll show you how to put it all together. And the only thing you need to supply is a tank. Okay, first thing we're going to do is hook up the suction side to our SureFlow pump. Now on the pump, you look closely at the face of it. You see arrows here, pointing that direction. That indicates direction of flow. And same with the filter, has an arrow, so line up the filter arrow to match the arrows on the pump. Tape it, of course. Then we twist the filter on. And we supply an elbow or a straight hose barb, depending on where this is going to sit in relation to your tank. Choose one. That completes the suction side, except for hooking up the hose to your tank. Come off of here, 3/4 inch with the wire in it. And this is the bulkhead. Drill a hole, install this into your tank. Install the other elbow into the bottom of your tank for your suction. Like so. Then you just join it with the hose that I showed you. Now, on the pressure side, we're going to come off of it with the black T. And this little plug here goes in the face of your pump. And remember, all the connections should be taped. So you put the T on. Have the T standing up. This is the feed tap for your wand. Goes in the end. When you're attaching metal or brass parts to plastic, you've got to be careful you don't cross thread it. So work at it a little easy and get it done properly. If you cross thread it, it will leak. Now we're going to install our regulator in the top of the T. The large outlet we're going to point towards the back of the pump, like so. Now you have a 1/2 inch return. This little tube here goes into the large hole on the regulator. Then your gauge fits in the front. Like so. Now this piece here that's got a little hose barb on it and another hose barb here. This is for the top of your tank. This is for the return line, which is the 1/2 inch piece here. So you'd run the hose from the out on the rag here back towards your tank to this piece installed on your tank. That gives you your return. Now, you have a spray wand that comes with the unit. This little brass piece goes into the bottom of the spray wand. This is your garden hose connection, like so. Then you install the 2 garden hose fittings into your 3/8 hose. Clamp them, of course, one for each end. And you connect one to the gun and one to the tap. You're all hooked up that way. Now the other thing you have to do is do the electrical. So we're going to turn this around a bit. I'm going to pull the wires out so you can see a little better. Got one red and one black. On here we also supply you with toggle switch for turning it on and off, a boot cover, protect the switch. Now when you install this, you need to install the fuse as well. Put the fuse on the power side, and you can put the toggle switch on the power side as well. Connect that end to your battery, that to the toggle switch, and this side to the red wire. That would make complete circuits for the power side. Then the black wire, ground out any place. You can either run a wire directly from this to the battery or ground it out as long as the battery is connected to the frame. It's that easy, it's that simple. So once you've made the connections on all your electrical connections on your pump, you'll also find that we have supplied 20 feet of wire that you can run anywhere, ATV, back of a truck, whatever. All wires supplied, plus few connections to make your system complete. And if there's any questions and you have a problem, you're not quite sure, you can always call us at Rittenhouse. We'd be glad to answer any questions that you may have.